Guys, check this out. This is vintage Sankyo or Sankyo.
Goodwill transforms lives. At Goodwill,
It's a Super 8,
and transform them into funding for
Super 8
employment and life skills training.
vintage camera, guys. It's recording me right now on Super 8 film. Like in the movie Super 8. A little bit beat up, guys, but this is model 250. Put the cartridge, put Super 8 cartridge into here. See, this is 250 model. This one is not a really expensive one, and it's usually you have to test it out, guys, if you want to sell them. Unless you want to sell them for parts as is. The lens is still kind of intact. Not kind of intact. That's cool.